Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Canada Life Insurance Review My Canadian Policyholder Experience. Canada Life Insurance Review My Canadian Policyholder Experience appears to be a service offering information and reviews regarding Canada Life Insurance policies, targeted towards Canadian policyholders or those considering purchasing a policy. It likely provides insights into different policy types, coverage options, and potentially customer experiences. Key features might include comparisons of different Canada Life insurance plans and resources for understanding policy details. Their website likely provides details about Canada Life insurance offerings, possibly including tools to compare different policies or calculate potential premiums. While pricing transparency in insurance can be complex, this service probably aims to provide clear information to help consumers navigate the process. I'd expect to see benefits highlighted such as the ability to access independent reviews and comparisons of different insurance plans. This platform likely differentiates itself by offering a centralized resource for all things Canada Life Insurance, simplifying the research process for Canadians. Availability should be across Canada, assuming internet access. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using this hypothetical Canada Life Insurance Review platform. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I navigated to the website and found a clean and easy-to-use interface. I started by searching for information on term life insurance, as I'm considering a policy for myself. The search function quickly pulled up several relevant articles and comparisons of different Canada Life term life policies. I was impressed by how clearly the key differences between policies were outlined, including coverage amounts, premium costs, and additional riders. I then used the comparison tool to see how Canada Life's offerings stacked up against other insurers. The visual presentation of the data made it easy to understand the trade-offs between different policies. The website was quick to load and I experienced no technical glitches. I even had a quick question about a specific rider and used their contact form to reach out to customer support. They responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for accessing information on the go. Also, the sheer amount of information could feel a bit overwhelming at first. It took me a little while to get used to navigating through the different sections and filtering the information based on my specific needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with this hypothetical Canada Life Insurance Review platform. It provided valuable insights and resources to help me make informed decisions about my insurance needs. That's my overview of Canada Life Insurance Review My Canadian Policyholder Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.